Good morning, students of class 10. In the period of mathematics, we are solving similarity. That is exercise 1A, only one, exercise 1. Question number is 3A, in which given informations are given triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN, angle A equal to angle L and angle B equal to angle N, and BC equal to 3.5 meter, MN equal to 7 centimeter, and area of triangle LMN is given, that is 25 centimeter square. So ABC equal to how much? Solution. We know area of triangle ABC by area of triangle LMN equal to, that is BC by MN whole square, implies that area of triangle ABC by, this value is given 25 centimeter square, equal to BC is 3.5 meter, MN is 7 centimeter whole square. Area of triangle ABC by 25 centimeter square equal to this will change into centimeter, so 3.5 will be multiplied by 100 by 7, here centimeter, that is cancelled, whole square, equal to area of triangle ABC by 25 centimeter square equal to, double zero will come decimal after one digit, so this will be 350 by 7 whole square. We can cancel it, 7 5s are 35 and 1 0. In this part of solution implies that area of triangle ABC by 25 centimeter square equal to, this became 5 5s 25, 100 by 1. So cross multiplication, area of triangle ABC into 1, that is area of triangle ABC equal to 25 into 25, that became 625 and double zero, this much centimeter square. If you change into meter square, double zero, that will be divided by 100 into 100, so this cancel that much meter square, so 2 zeros are left, that is 6.25 meter square. Area of triangle ABC equal to. In question number 4, given informations are ABC is similar to triangle DEF, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F, AM is perpendicular to BC, DN is perpendicular to EF. If AM equal to 6 centimeter, DN equal to 8 centimeter, find area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. For your information, I want to draw the figures. Suppose this is ABC, in which AM is perpendicular 90 degree and another is, this is DEF, and in this triangle DN is perpendicular 90 degree. So solution of question number A, we are asked area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. As we know, ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Similarly, square of their corresponding perpendiculars. So corresponding perpendiculars are AM, that is the perpendicular of triangle ABC, and DN, that is the perpendicular in triangle DEF, whole square of this. If we calculate it, we are getting 6 centimeter by 8 centimeter whole square, and centimeter cancelled, and this also 2 3s are 2 4, we are getting 3 by 4 whole square. If you solve it, you will get 9 by 16. In question number C, given informations are: if area of triangle DEF is 50 centimeter square, area of triangle ABC is 40 meter square, find AM is to DN. So we write AM is to DN. So we should write ABC as the numerator, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF, that is equal to AM by DN whole square, implies that these two values we have ABC is 40 meter square. 40, if you want to change into centimeter square, then this will be 100 into 100 by, this is 50. So this is now centimeter square, this is also centimeter square, and that much equal to AM by DN whole square, implies that what are you getting here? Centimeter square cancelled, 1 0 cancelled, and 5 20 is 100. So this became 24 is 80, and how many are 1 2 3 no, only 2 more zeros by 1 equal to AM by DN whole square. Now we write, therefore AM by DN equal to root over 8000 by 1. So this we can write so we can write this 8000 as 400 into 2 into 2 into 5. So this much will be 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20, 400 into 20 equal to 8000. So square root of 400 became 20, and out of these 2, 1 2 came out, root 5 is left by 1. I multiplied these 2, I got 40 root 5 by 1. So this became 40 root 5 is to 1. AM by DN equal to this much. AM by DN equal to that much. Here, what was the question? You write that again. We are asked to find AM is to DN. AM is to DN, that is equal to 40 root 5 is to 1. This became the answer. In question number 5, given informations are: in triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to BC. This PQ is parallel to BC. AQ is to QC equal to 5 is to 3. AQ is to QC equal to 5 is to 3. Find area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC. So for that, we write the solution. Area of triangle APQ, as this is parallel, so first of all we'll write triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC. This is drawn parallel to the third side, therefore these two triangles will be similar from basic proportionality from basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so now you write what was asked to find area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC equal to square of their corresponding sides AQ by AC whole square. AQ by AC we can write AQ plus QC whole square, that is equal to, here also we can write that is equal to 5 by 5 plus 3 whole square, 5 by 8 whole square, that is equal to 25 by 64. Here in which order the question is asked, you write that area of triangle APQ is to area of triangle ABC equal to 25 is to 64. In question number C, BC equal to 14 centimeter. This is given 14 centimeter. PQ equal to 6 centimeter. We are asked to find area of triangle APQ by area of trapezium PBCQ. So for that we write at first area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC equal to PQ by BC whole square, because above we have proved already triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC. Therefore, ratio of their areas will be equal to square of ratio of their corresponding sides. PQ and BC are the corresponding sides of triangle APQ and ABC respectively. And this much equal to PQ is 6 centimeter by 14 centimeter whole square. So centimeter cancelled, 2 3s are 2 7s are, this became 9. Directly I am writing 9 by 49. Now we come to the question area of triangle APQ by area of trapezium PBCQ equal to area of we have got area of triangle APQ equal to 9, and for this area of PBCQ this much, PBCQ this much equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle APQ. So if area of triangle ABC is 49 and area of triangle APQ is 9, so I subtracted to get the area of trapezium PBCQ. This became equal to 9 by 40.